Current sensitivity of a moving coil galvanometer is 5 divisions per milliampere, and its voltage sensitivity, that is angular deflection per unit voltage applied, is 20 divisions per volt. The resistance of the galvanometer is. In order to find resistance, we first have to apprehend what do we mean by the current sensitivity provided here, and what do we mean by the voltage sensitivity is provided here. Current sensitivity can be understood as that it has 5 divisions per milliampere, 5 divisions for 1 milliampere, and whereas the voltage sensitivity is 20 divisions for per volt. So if we want to find the resistance of the galvanometer, we can take the ratio. We can firstly obtain the formula of resistance from the Ohm's law, and when we substitute the value of voltage sensitivity and current sensitivity in Ohm's law, the division and division part of both the sensitivity will get cancelled, and we will get the answer will be 250 ohms. Yes, the answer will be 250 ohm.